Welcome to my channel. My name is Russ, and in this channel I will tell you about the ownership experience of my Subaru Forester. This is 2024 model year. This is a sport trim, and come along on this journey where I will tell you all I know about this car, all I think about this car, and it should be an interesting ride. Just reparked the car and they put like 5 miles just driving around, and nothing out of the ordinary except one thing. I tried to warm up the car by starting it through the app, and basically app failed me every time and just said error. And then when I tried it again, it just said, oh, we cannot start the car because there's an existing request we're trying to process. So I'm like, okay, let me just walk up to the car, warm it up like usual, sit in the car a little bit, then start driving. But then, as I was approaching the car, I saw that the car was running. And this never happened before, because now, now every time it happens when the app tells you that the car has not started, what do you believe? Because in reality it did start, so maybe that's something you had in your car before. I certainly have not, so it's one of those things that happened for the first time. So let me know if you have it, and also be aware that next time your Subaru app tells you that your car has not started for some reason, it might have started in reality. So very unusual, but yeah, keep me posted. Thanks for watching, guys, and please feel free to subscribe if you found this information helpful and if you like watching my videos. Take care.